Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the X96Q and preparing tools because a clean recovery avoids bricks. First, unplug power and either insert a paperclip into the AV reset pinhole or connect the micro USB to your PC while holding the reset button. Once the device shows a firmware heartbeat in Device Manager, open RK Batch Tool or USB Burning Tool. You do this now so the box boots into recovery mode rather than normal Android, which prevents partition conflicts and lets you flash safely. Now you flash or perform the factory reset. Precision matters. First, confirm the firmware matches the X96Q board ID. Wrong images cause permanent faults. If you can, backup settings, otherwise accept a full wipe. In RK Batch Tool, choose the image, select Format All plus download only when certain, then click Start. You must not interrupt power or USB during transfer. Doing so could corrupt bootloader. Once progress reaches 100%, wait for the tool to report success before disconnecting so the system can finalize partitions. Finally, reboot and verify functionality while understanding why issues happen. After flashing, remove cables and power up. The first boot can take several minutes as it rebuilds caches and optimizes apps, so be patient. If you see a boot loop, re-enter recovery and reflash using the firmware upgrade option, or try a known good image for your exact board. Corrupted images or incomplete flashes cause loops. If the PC fails to detect the box, check drivers. Swap USB ports and use a stable 5V/2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.